All right, here's the final layout for the kitchen. On our sink wall, come on, computer. Sink cabinet, dishwasher to the right, and our drawer stack to the left. And this panel will extend beyond the end of this wall and stick out an inch for all the paneling on the back to die into. And this inside corner had to do a little fudging to make it work. I've got this wall from inside corner to corner, factoring for the tile 76 3/8, and this one here at 35 from here to here. So this cabinet here, the sink cab, is 24 deep, or our standard here. And I need to shift the sink over. I already have, just so when this door opens, this blue line, that'll be the front of the dishwasher, so it doesn't hit this cabinet. This is standard depth, and I took an inch off of this one so I could shift the sink to the left. And this cabinet here is about 4 inches shorter than your standard 24 depth to make this work. We still have a Lazy Susan in the corner, but this countertop from the back wall will be probably in the 22-inch range. And then from the depth here, I know you're going to have the overhang, but the normal depth, if this were a full height wall, this countertop would be at 26. So this one's a little bit shorter, but you'll have the 12-inch overhang on this side. But that's the only way to make it work with your undermount sink and the dishwasher to the right. Lazy Susan cabinet, the skinny tray divider cabinet here, your upper, and that shelf's L-shaped. Is your spice pull out, another skinny cabinet, tray divider cabinet here, drawer stack, your hood, and the hood center right now, center of the hood is 74 7/8. And these are the same width, and this one's the same width. Fridge wall, this cabinet's 19 5/16, so the crown molding will not stick out past this wall right here. Drawer, lighting here, and the laundry room. Microwave cabinet, 4 big drawers, your pantry. That's all open. And then the cabinets above the washer and dryer. All right, let me know what you think. Thanks.